A road roller is a heavy construction vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, or asphalt in road construction projects. It's like the big, heavy drum you often see rolling over freshly laid pavement to make it smooth and sturdy. 1. Visual inspection. Check for any visible damage, leaks, or loose components. 2. Tires or tracks ***. Inspect tires or tracks for wear, damage, and proper inflation or tension. 3. ***. Fluid levels. Check engine oil, hydraulic fluid, coolant, and fuel levels. 4. Brakes. Test the brakes for proper functioning. 5. Lights and signals. Ensure all lights and signals are working correctly. 6. Controls. Check that all controls are functioning properly. 7. Roller drum. Inspect the roller drum for any signs of damage or excessive wear. 8. Vibration system. Test the vibration system to ensure it's working correctly. 9. Safety features ***. Verify that all safety features, such as seat belts and emergency stops, are in working order. 10. Documentation ***. Ensure that all necessary documentation, such as maintenance records and safety certifications, is up to date. Remember to follow any specific guidelines provided by the manufacturer and to address any issues promptly to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the road roller.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And